Hey guys, welcome back. How are you doing? I am Jyoti,
Hello,
also known as Joe, and मेरे साथ है Mola, also known as
Shruti.
Shruti.
Yes,
Yes,
Shruts. How are you, Jojo?
I am good, Shruti Devi. How are you?
जोजो दीदी हम अच्छे हैं आप कैसे हैं दिस इज ऑल
हम भी
अपनाज
अच्छे
अपना
हैं,
अपना
हम भी अच्छे हैं. I know, I got it, I got it. I was known as Andaz Apna Apna fan club president in my school,
ओह
so
वाह वाह
every seed
good.
is by heart. Any Andaz Apna Apna fans, please leave a comment. But
That's it. Now I'm going to start using a lot of अंदाज अपना अपना references. अब तो हम तो भूल ही गए थे कि आप भी यहाँ पे हैं. Very good.
very
उलझी
nice.
चोपी and Sarah. Red टोपी पहन के आएंगे next time. चलो, what are we
Yes.
doing today?
We are doing a song, but wait, I have a little surprise for you and everybody.
What is
And
that?
what is that surprise? Let's
Yeah.
see. So the song I have picked. Oh, the surprise is here.
Hello.
Hey, Maddie, how are
Hi.
you?
I'm very good. It's nice to be back.
Mm.
Oh
I
my
planned
God.
this
And I
well, no?
very, very well. And I get to finally like react with the
Yes.
Maddie.
Oh, please, please, no baddie at all. What is
You
this?
are, you are.
So,
You're like
Maddie.
one full like, yes.
Yes. Fully in
Oh,
demand and
it's so
fully
good to
being
see your
missed on the
face.
channel. Oh my
Oh,
God.
I've missed you guys. I mean, sadly, I've been adulting. While I have to adult, I've been missing this because this is one of the fun things that I do. So I'm kind of happy to be able to be back. In
So
however
good.
for long or in whatever capacity, I'm happy to be back. It's nice to
हमने
see.
मैडी हमने यहाँ पे बहुत सारा ऐसे अफवाहें फैला दी थी that you are like taking Bahamas में से holiday and you will take tell me
I'm
to
one of those
devote.
people who thought yes, because I'm one of
Sipping
those special people who
margaritas and
thought yes, that's my ultimate fantasy to be sipping margaritas on a tropical island and not be working. I really wish, but thank you. At least my fantasy life is my
is
the
on
life I
track.
want to live. Yes, I'm
but
happy to hear that. Thanks for keeping the dream alive.
But can you please set the record straight because everyone thinks we have fought and we have had a beef and
Beef.
Yes,
Oh,
we've had a terrible beef. Have people not seen the diss tracks? No, actually, no. We've not
we
fought.
missed that
It's
whole
just,
session.
don't lie. You
yeah,
both are hiding something ना कुछ तो बता
yes.
नहीं रहे हो. Very bad girls.
Yes, the only thing is that I have a day job and I've had a few crazy months of work, which is why I couldn't make the time. So that's all there is. Joe and I are still very good friends, and this is not a press release or anything. But yeah, there's no beef, there is no fight, there is nothing of that sort. It's just good old adulting where you have to suck up and do things. So it's just that, nothing more.
Yay. Yes, we are
But we're
still
so
friends.
glad to have you back though.
I know I've
Yay.
never done a video with you, Shruts,
Hannah,
and yes,
yeah.
yes. I mean, we've all known each other, and for people who are watching us right now, Shruti and I landed in Dubai within a day of each other. So she was
Yes.
one of the first people I met in Dubai, and we used to live in the same hotel, which was right next to a graveyard. I think it was a very freaky hotel. I remember that. So
Why don't
yeah,
I
so
know
we.
this? Because I was there when
Because this
Shruti
is our
landed
secret.
and I
This
didn't know
is
Yeah,
and I
this
didn't
is
Maddie's.
know
our
Maddie.
secret. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. So we the three of us go back a very very
Long
long
way.
way, and
Same network.
yeah, it's nice to be back. It's nice to see Shruti, who I think I met her in 2016 last, no, 17.
Yeah,
I
last
think
when
I
you
saw
come to
you
Bombay.
last when I came to
Yeah.
Bombay. So I haven't seen you since,
It
and
was
now
on my
I'm seeing you
birthday.
both.
Oh
It
no,
was
it
on your
was
birthday, and we were
Ah,
also
Ram.
attending a wedding. Remember in Bombay, we were attending a
Yeah.
wedding.
Yeah.
So
I remember.
yeah.
Yay!
Time
memories.
So good.
flies.
I think we
It's
should,
nice to be
yes.
back.
Yes, this is very exciting. So, Maddie, you are
So it
back.
better be special today.
It is, it
Yes.
What have
is,
you
What are
got
we
for us?
reacting to?
it is something that I think is just the requests on the channel have gone through the roof because one,
Okay.
it's Coke Studio 2020,
Okay.
and
Okay.
two, Bohemia's back on Coke Studio.
Ooh.
So yeah, and this released on Christmas Day, 25th December. So
Okay.
my inbox and comment section and everything is like
Go
overflowing,
nuts.
saying please react to
Nice.
this. So I mean,
Okay.
the blurb says, listen to this rap tale where Bohemia talks about his struggle as an artist and the downside of fame. So,
Mhm.
oh, Maddie,
Okay.
also Coke Studio 2020 brings Rohel Hayat back.
Rohel Hayat back as the producer, right? So this should be interesting.
Yeah, so
Return
very,
of the
yeah.
producer. Yeah.
So obviously Bohemia has written his verses. Additional lyrics are Asim Raza, intro and outro. Composer is Bohemia, arranged by Rohel Hayat. And
Okay.
for you, we have brought Mr. Manu again. He is
Who?
here.
The
Yes, the bass guitar.
nice. The
Yes.
bass
I
guitarist,
won't
the
name any
bassy.
face at this point.
Yes,
I want
this
to
is
see
very
Maddie's face
exciting.
at this point. I believe you really like him. I want to see you blush and all that.
No,
So,
no blushing and all of that. He's been a fixture, right? Like he's been there from season 1 through
One.
season 10, and I mean the season. I think now what season 12 is it or 13 this year?
This is 13, but it's not called 13. It's called
It's
a
just called
special
2020.
2020.
2020, yeah. So he's been throughout. He's been there from day 1 to current edition of the Coke Studio, and he's a dude. You know, he's always wearing his glasses. He's chilling on the sofa and he's just doing his thing, and that's what I love about him. He's got the chill musician vibe down to the T, which is what I love about him. So
And
yeah.
Coke Studio would not look the same without him in the frame. So
That's true. It's very strange to have Coke Studio and the frame of musicians without him being there. So
exactly. So very exciting. I want to see what this is about. Also Coke Studio 2020, I just like when we finish, I want to know your thoughts on, you know, how they've shot it and how they managed to put it together through because social distancing and all that. So apparently it's all been shot in Royal Hayat's house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So with all that info, let's get into it.
Let's do this.
Ready?
Count us down. Yes.
Ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
मेरी ये दास्तां सुनियो मुझसे दिलबर प्यारे मेरी ये दास्तां मेरी ये दास्तां सुनियो मुझसे दिलबर प्यारे मेरी ये दास्तां मेरी ये दास्तां सुनियो मुझसे दिलबर प्यारे मेरी ये दास्तां मेरी ये दास्तां सुनियो मुझसे दिलबर प्यारे मेरी ये दास्तां
सुनो दास्तां कहानी मेरी बचपना जवानी मेरी जिस डूबते को बचाया वही भरे कश्ती में पानी मेरी अब याद आया थोड़ा थोड़ा आवाज पहचानी मेरी बोहेमिया रैप गेम मेहरबानी मेरी मैंने जो इंडस्ट्री को लहू डोल दे दिया अब सूरज की तरह जले ये दिया बोल मेरे पत्थर पे लकीर रैप किया इजाद यानी तेरी तकदीर बदली वजह से मेरी मुझे हटाए कौन जगह से मेरी जो मेरे बाद मेरी औलाद जैसे आबाद दुआ से मेरी पर जैसे भूल जाती स्कूल की किताब मिटने लगी अब पहचान दुनिया से मेरी
अंधेरों में शम्मा हूँ मैं बिना लफ्जों के नगमा हूँ मैं अंधेरों में शम्मा हूँ मैं बिना लफ्जों के नगमा हूँ मैं सारी दुनिया को मिलके तन्हा 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 हूँ मैं
तन्हा यानी अलग मैं सबसे आया देसी इंडस्ट्री में जब से लाया मुझे बॉलीवुड में अक्षय मेरे पीछे लगे तुम लोग तब से 2002 में कलम मेरे हाथ के बीच मैंने हाथ से डाले खाद में हिप हॉप के बीज अब ये बीज मेरे बोए देखो बन गए पेड़ अब इन पेड़ों की छाओं में बैठा जैसे शेर अब ये जंगल शान मेरी इनके पेड़ों में जड़ों से फलों तक जान मेरी पर जैसे जैसे कटे एक एक पेड़ मिटने लगी अब पहचान दुनिया से मेरी 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 नगमा हूँ मैं, अंधेरों में शम्मा हूँ मैं, बिना लफ्जों के नगमा हूँ मैं, सारी दुनिया को मिलके तन्हा 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 हूँ मैं, तन्हा हूँ मैं, तन्हा हूँ मैं, तन्हा हूँ मैं, तन्हा हूँ मैं।
मेरी ये दास्तां सुनियो मुझसे दिलबर प्यारे, मेरी ये दास्तां, मेरी ये दास्तां सुनियो मुझसे दिलबर प्यारे, मेरी ये दास्तां, मेरी ये दास्तां सुनियो मुझसे दिलबर प्यारे, मेरी ये दास्तां।
तन्हा हूँ मैं,
Like that end. You just put it down. So,
So it was
so
not the kind of opening I hoped for a Bohemia video. I for a second got confused if it's going to be a Bohemia track, but the way it started, right? It's got like a bit of a folksy feel to it.
yeah,
You know, I have a thing for Bohemia. I mean, he'll come on
I
screen and
know. As
his
soon as he
voice.
did the I was like,
Oh, I
Maddie,
was like, yes.
Maddie loves it. His voice.
But I also think that this is a song that you can really tell watching him perform that it's a deeply personal track for him, and he was really feeling the track, right? I mean, it's
His eyes were closed pretty
it-
much through the
his
whole
eyes
thing.
were closed throughout, and he was in a zone, and he was performing. I have to admit, it is very reminiscent of a Coke Studio track or anything that would come out of Coke Studio in a way. But I have to admit, I was in between getting distracted by people performing remotely, I think, and different people having different backgrounds. So I think at some point I started, I think, thinking about the logistics of how they may have stitched together the track, and what does it mean for Coke Studio as a what do I say, as an entity,
As a
because
brand,
they're
as
all
a
about live performance, right? They've
Yeah.
always, that's their thing. So I think there were two parallel things going on in my mind, which you know, I don't think let me enjoy the track completely. So I have to be honest and say that I was processing a couple of things, but I think the earnestness and the fact that it was a deeply personal thing for Bohemia, I think that came out. I think the pain and the loneliness of fame, I think that came out really, really very clearly, that, you know, he wasn't saying it just because it's a track. He meant it, right? So in a way, I felt bad for him. I was like, oh, you know, he's so lonely.
I'm
Yeah.
here like that. No,
I know. Hello.
Hi, I'm here.
Just, yeah. So yeah, that was, those are my initial thoughts, like listening to the track. So what did you both think of it?
I
Jojo.
will just say that it just made me kind of sad that line he said that भूल जाते हैं लोग जैसे
है
भूल गए
मुझे,
स्कूल की
yes,
किताब, right?
yes, yes.
So I'm in my head, the thought was, did Coke Studio approach him to do this track, or did he go to Coke Studio and say, I've written the song and I would really like it
Mhm,
performed and presented in a certain manner, let's collab this year and that kind of thing.
mhm,
So
mhm.
I feel like it's something he's had on his mind obviously for a while. He's penned it, he's wanted to get it out there, and I think this was a nice way to present his current state of emotions, you know, because obviously his audience and people who followed him since the start will listen to this, but also the spillover audience of Coke Studio, and they'll also get. I don't know, like it, like you said, it was coming from a very personal space, and he's obviously talking about the loneliness side of fame. But is he also thinking and feeling like people have forgotten him now or all of that? Because I mean, he's still releasing music, no?
So yeah, you know, good thing that you brought it up. I'll come back to it, but I want to hear what are Shrut's thoughts
Yeah,
on that.
Mola, tell
What did
us.
she think
So
of the song?
so the first thing, like we've reacted to couple of well, not season bolenge ya jo bhi bolenge, ye wala jo latest you know Coke Studio series hai, remote recording wala and separate recording wala. We've reacted to a couple of that before, you know. And firstly, this is the, I mean, in that sense, this is I think the third track that we're listening to, right, Jo?
Okay.
And when we're
Yeah.
listening to it, this is like it's only getting better and better. Like the first one, the opening track that we heard, and then we heard the second, and this. So for me, the spacing of it, it is building up. Bohemia for me was my first thing was, oh my god, one, his voice, two, the way his delivery is, like it's just him, right? The moment he starts, you just have to listen to him and be like, wow, the grip he has on his skill, it's just commendable. You just have to pause and just look at him perform. And then comes what he was talking about. I kept, you know, what both of you have also mentioned right now, I just kept thinking, why has he written such a track where he's feeling that people are not listening to him? Because he's so famous and he's putting out so much. So I actually kept going back every time such a line came. I was like, wait, is he going through this in his own head? Then I was like, no, but he's written this track purely from the perspective of how lonely it is on top. So obviously he knows he's famous enough and aisa nahi hai ke, you know. So I was a bit confused. Every time he spoke it, I didn't know which perspective was it coming from. So
And
then I was just, yeah, right, huh?
no,
What?
finish.
Huh. So overall, I just basically felt if it's pushing me to think and if it is making me wonder, I think the job of the lyrics is done, no? Because the whole point is to put the feeling across to you where it makes you also wonder, where is it coming from? Is it this layer? Is it this layer? What was the writer thinking when in the writing zone, or the performer thinking? Where are we going? And if it makes you question that, the job is done. And if done so beautifully with such good music, because yeah, we'll come to music in a bit. Abhi to just first impressions, because there's so much to talk about, right? So like, let's circle back now. Yeah.
Yeah, no, so also I want to just say that while you were speaking, I was listening to you, I scrolled down into comments, and you know, we've heard Tala Anjum in Main Aur Mere Idols. He even had Bohemia's face on the art cover, on the artwork cover. So he's commented, he's written King here. Even Tala Yunus has commented Bol Mere Patthar Pe Lakeer. There's a lot of verified channels who have commented saying the father of rap and huge respect, always the king and things like that, legend, etc. So I mean, I don't know why he's feeling like no one's listening to him. If he's feeling that, why should people?
I was
It's an
actually
internal thing.
no, but I actually wanted to ask after we finished. I was like, oh, I must ask Joe, because you know Joe is somebody who does keep track of what's happening with them,
Kiski
right?
life
So
mein kya ho raha hai? Haan.
more, I think more from a musical point of view, because we've also had to react to tracks where this is a diss track. So you know, so Joe is the one who generally does the research, saying, okay, this person did this, and this is the in the context of the music that they put out. So I almost wanted to finish the track, and I wanted to ask Joe, like, did something happen?
Something happened.
I really feel like what is that guy who goes to sleep, right, and he wakes up after 30 years? What's that fairy tale?
Yes,
Rip Van
I'm thinking
Winkle.
Captain America,
Van-
but yeah.
No, Rip Van Winkle. So I was like, did something happen? Because I
What did
felt
I
like
miss?
there was. What did I miss, right? Because when he said it's almost like, oh, they are obliterating my existence.
that he's
Right?
fading away.
That's basic the line.
Yeah.
So I was like, where is this coming from? Did something happen? What's
Exactly.
kind of the
I mean,
trigger
honestly,
for a line like
I've
this?
not really kept track of all the beefs and all the things everyone has had with each other. I think over the course of his career, he's also had a couple with certain artists. But
Mhm.
I'm as clueless as you are, but and I honestly I didn't feel like it was coming from that kind of space. He's
Mhm.
no, he's generally, and the fact that, like, he said it so many times in the end, "Tanha hu main, tanha hu main, tanha hu main." He's constantly driven home that point, and you could see it on his face
Mhm.
also. And he's just the whole song he's performed with his eyes closed, so he's feeling every word, and
Mhm.
he's really just like, I want to say this, and I don't care who's
Yeah.
listening to me. I'm just going to throw it out of
Mhm.
my this thing,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
I feel like there's a whole new wave of rappers and desi hip hop sort of. There's a whole new
Scene's
generation now.
exploding. Yeah, yeah.
The scene is exploding, and it's more so happened in the last 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 years. So it's a
5 years,
recent
yeah.
sort of explosion that's happened on the scene. And so
Mhm.
maybe from that point of view, I don't know, but like Maddie, you and I reacted to his recent collab with Jazzy B. So like,
Jazzy B, that's the last track that we were thinking. But I think even in that, I think if I remember right, it was something very similar about them saying about how they were the pioneers and they were the OGs, right? That was the underlying theme of that track, because I was like, which was the last one, and it was the track that he put out with Jazzy B as well.
yeah.
So
So people who grew
it
up
could
listening
be
to them will always have that in their heart for them. But the new
correct.
generation of listeners who are now following the genre, or who now have they are listening to the younger lot.
That's true.
They may not know of the OGs and the
That's
guys who
true.
started, and so maybe this feeling has crept in.
Possibly.
No,
But great, now the new ones can listen in and be like, oh, this is what the OGs are. And वो पूरा
That's
सुन के
true.
enjoy कर देते हैं.
That's true.
yeah.
No, but I think that's bound to happen, right? Like for example, I mean, maybe up to our generation, the Beatles were the all-time greats, right? But if you talk to a teenager today, they'll be like, "Who Beatles?" Right? Because the Beatles would then be 70 years ago for them, may not be relevant. Doesn't take away from their legacy or their greatness. It's just that it's
Absolutely.
people are unaware of it, right?
I recently saw a video, all these, like a couple of them, not just one or two, like 15 of them were shown Michael Jackson's picture and asked, who is
Mm-hmm.
this musician? And they didn't know.
What? That's
Yeah.
terrible. I thought the
That's
Silk
what
Route Duba
drove
Duba
it
was bad
home.
enough, because
Right?
no, people didn't know Silk Route, Maddie. People know Mohit Chauhan because of Rockstar and not Silk Route. I shocked.
But
It was
but
I
it's
shocked. I was
true.
like, what?
Yeah, but it's true, because I had that aha moment, and I say this Beatles because it was very clearly, as
Yeah.
three of us are in a radio station, so you do your music testing and you do your playlist refreshes
Yeah.
once a year, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you have a certain method to the madness, and I think it was like
Yeah.
2014 or 15, and I kept thinking that if I actually think that one of their first hits was 1964, Beatles music is 50 years old.
50
That's
years
older
old.
than most of our list. I mean, it's older, it's twice the age of
Older
my
than us.
average listener, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
So then
Also,
you're not going to play it.
if you remember in a music meeting, you and I were refreshing categories and doing a full overhaul, and a whole decade went into the category
Rest
of
category,
rest,
yes, yes,
and
yes.
also the
Correct.
sort of throwback.
Because every year, correct, every year you move ahead, which means one year, the last 10 years means
Correct.
that, the 2009 songs get rested and 10 to 20 will play, right? And so
It was a
I
shock
don't
to our
really
time.
blame. Yeah, it hurts. It hurts.
What? We
As
have
a
to put these as
programmer, it
throwback
hurts you.
hits? No.
Exactly. But it's what happens, right? I mean,
Over time,
who's
yeah.
now going to know Abhina Jao? You ask a kid now, they'll know a YouTube cover of Abhina Jao, right? And they'll think that's the original. They will not know that it's from Hum Dono, and it was made in the
Exactly.
50s. They'll never know
Yeah.
that. So I think it's the circle of life,
It's the circle of life,
sadly.
and we are feeling the age gap also. But no, Bohemia is clearly feeling it.
He's clearly feeling it in this track. I mean, more than
The
us.
beauty of it will be if he watches this and goes, excuse me, that wasn't my intention.
Yes,
मैं ऐसा कुछ
yes.
नहीं बोल रहा था."
They are just
No,
making me.
but I think then the purpose will be served that he'll have to come out and clarify. So I hope Bohemia watches this and he comes out and clarifies what made him write that song, right?
Please
What
tell
made
us
him
if we
put
are
out
wrong,
those lyrics.
because we are
Yes,
usually
please
always wrong.
correct us. Yes, we're usually wrong. So yeah,
Yeah, and you know, so many people keep telling us, "अरे आपको तो hip hop का कुछ नहीं पता." हाँ, boss, पता है नहीं पता. वही तो बोल रहे हैं, हमें नहीं पता. We are still just getting into the zone. So yeah.
that's true.
It's fun. It's
That's
fun.
very true.
But
It's fun. It's
yes,
all fun and games.
yes. And we hope
But
his
super.
message got across to everyone and had the effect he wanted it to have, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mhm.
on that note, Maddie, you want to do the honors?
Am I
Oh,
doing
now
it
we are
right?
we're all doing
Are we
it.
going to synchrony में?
Jazz hands by.
Jazz hands like this. Bye.
See you.